Okay, I'm out here with the Zino again. Just want to do a quick test flight. Haven't flown it in a little while. It is July 5th, so I just want to get in the air and make sure everything's working as it was before. I can't tell you how many flights I have. I plugged in a friend of mine's Zino to check his out, and evidently that wipes out all your flight logs. So now it says I only flew like 9 flights and I've had well over 100. So anyway, just know that if you go switch into a different quad, a different Zino, you're going to lose all your flight records. It doesn't store it on the quad, it stores it on the app. Okay, so I'll go ahead and wait till I get enough satellites. It's been a while. It's been about 10 minutes and I'm only at 5 satellites, so I'll let it sit here for a little while and then try to take off once I get 6. I'll go ahead and switch strong GPS to takeoff, just see what happens. I wouldn't suggest this, but I've been sitting here for a while. I'm at 6 now. So now it's changing its position due to grabbing that other satellite. Still drifting. So it looks like if I took off without enough GPS, there we go. Okay, so now it seems to have maybe locked in some. You can definitely see the changes. Let's take it up some. If I get up over the trees, I might be able to try to find more. Maybe I'm too close to the ground, who knows. So I'll stay up around here. Now I have 7 satellites. So let's see where it thinks home is. I'll go to the map. Well, it shows where the drone is. Doesn't tell me where home is. And I'll hit record. Test the video out. There we go. Put the gimbal down some. 9 satellites. Let's get it up in the air more. We'll just go out for a flight.